Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Countless stars like diamonds scattered across black velvet. Each star is a sun, a giant ball of burning gas just like our own. Now imagine that some of those stars have planets orbiting them. Planets like Earth with oceans, clouds, and maybe even life. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a vast and mysterious place. It holds billions upon billions of stars swirling in a grand cosmic dance. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Are there other planets out there like ours? Planets where life might exist? The universe is full of secrets. But with every passing year, we get closer to unlocking them. We are on the verge of discoveries that could change our understanding of life itself. Join me as we explore the possibility of habitable planets in our galaxy and beyond. What makes a planet habitable? It's not just about being the right distance from a star. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts. Too much or too little of one thing can ruin everything. First, you need a star, the oven that provides heat and light. But not just any star will do. It needs to be stable, not prone to sudden bursts of energy that could fry a planet's surface. Next, the planet needs to be the right distance from its star. Too close, and it's a scorching inferno. Too far, and it's a frozen wasteland. This just right zone is called the habitable zone. But there's more. A habitable planet needs an atmosphere, a blanket of gas to trap heat and protect life from harmful radiation. And of course, it needs liquid water, the essential ingredient for life as we know it. Finding a planet with all these ingredients is a bit like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. But don't worry, the universe is a big haystack. The Milky Way galaxy is a giant spiral of stars, gas, and dust. It spans over 100,000 light-years across and contains hundreds of billions of stars. That's a lot of stars. And recent studies suggest that many of these stars, perhaps even most, have planets orbiting them. Scientists estimate that there could be at least 10 billion stars in the Milky Way that are similar to our Sun. If even a small fraction of these stars have planets in the habitable zone, that still leaves us with billions of potential Earths. Think about that for a moment. Billions of planets where life could exist. Planets with oceans, continents, maybe even forests and mountains. Planets with creatures that breathe, move, and maybe even think. The sheer scale of the universe can be overwhelming, but it also fills us with a sense of awe and wonder. In all that vastness, are we truly alone? Finding planets around other stars is no easy task. They are incredibly small and faint compared to their stars, like trying to spot a firefly next to a spotlight. But astronomers have developed ingenious methods to detect these hidden worlds. One method is called the transit method. Imagine you're watching a car drive down a street at night. As the car passes in front of a streetlight, the light dims slightly. The same thing happens when a planet passes in front of its star, causing a tiny dip in the star's brightness. Another method is called the radial velocity method. Planets don't just orbit their stars, they also tug on them gravitationally. This tugging causes the star to wobble slightly. By measuring the wobble, astronomers can infer the presence of a planet. These methods have allowed us to discover thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. And the search continues. One of the most successful planet-hunting missions was the Kepler Space Telescope. Launched in 2009, Kepler stared at a patch of sky containing over 150,000 stars, searching for the telltale signs of transiting planets. Kepler revolutionized our understanding of exoplanets. It discovered thousands of new worlds, including many that are similar in size and temperature to Earth. Kepler showed us that planets are incredibly common in the Milky Way. Although Kepler's primary mission ended in 2018, its legacy lives on. Scientists are still analyzing its data, uncovering new planets and learning more about the diversity of worlds beyond our solar system. Kepler paved the way for future missions like the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, which is currently searching for planets around nearby bright stars. The search for life beyond Earth is well underway. The discovery of so many exoplanets, including those in the habitable zone, has fueled speculation about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Could there be other planets out there teeming with creatures as strange and wonderful as anything we can imagine? Some scientists believe that life might be common in the universe. After all, the ingredients for life, such as water, carbon, and oxygen, are found throughout the cosmos, and life on Earth has proven to be remarkably resilient. adapting to extreme environments like deep-sea vents and volcanic hot springs. Others are more cautious, pointing out that we have yet to find definitive evidence of life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is still in its early stages. But one thing is certain, the possibilities are tantalizing. Imagine the thrill of discovering even a simple microbe on another planet. It would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, proving that we are not alone in the universe. The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound and enduring questions in science. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered if there are other beings out there looking back at us. We don't have an answer yet, but the search for life beyond Earth is a journey of discovery, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. With every new planet we discover, with every new advance in technology, we get closer to answering this fundamental question. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. But one thing is certain, the search for life beyond Earth is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. So keep looking up at the stars and keep wondering. The answer to this age-old question may be closer than we think.